Okay, it is Wednesday night and we're here at the Funkey Monkey and it is sushi night. Sushi night is supposed to be lit, L-I-T, as you would say. So we are about to get it in on sushi night. Is everybody excited? Are we all excited, Todo? Kate is not so excited. Mommy's not excited?
I'm excited.
See? Yeah. Yeah, of course. Kate's feeling herself right now. What would you say?
I didn't know.
Why not? Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Hola. Yeah, look. Everybody is hangry at the moment. We wish we could do some really cute photos right now, but everybody's just going in. Oh, that's okay. We're going in. What is that? The spring roll?
Yeah, the spring roll.
King boy got a little guest. Un gatito. This cat was born with a disorder like Parkinson's, and it's fine, but it walks really strange. But it's the Funkey Monkey cat, and I think it knows it's sushi night because it's all up on kinks. This girl. Wait, what's going on?
Yeah, what is going on?
You tired?
Yeah. My face is tired. Are you taking a video or a photo?
Never know. Just be ready. Gone for half our dinner and you came back all just hungry. Oh.